In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link LinkedIn Learning to a personal account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the LinkedIn Learning website or portal. You can do this by simply typing LinkedIn Learning into your web browser or by visiting the direct URL. Once you're on the site, you'll want to look for the Sign In button. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to enter your credentials. You do this by filling in your LinkedIn account email and password. If you're not already a member of LinkedIn, don't worry. You can select the Join Now option to create a new LinkedIn account. Just follow the prompts, and once you've set up your new account, you can log in by repeating the earlier steps. After entering your credentials, here's the exciting part. Your Learning account will automatically connect to your professional LinkedIn profile. This means you don't have to go through any complicated linking process. It's all done for you seamlessly. Once you've signed in, you'll want to verify that everything is connected properly. To do this, look for your profile picture within the Learning portal. This is typically located in the upper corner of the page. Clicking on your profile picture will present you with various options, including an option that says Go to LinkedIn Profile. If you see that option, congratulations! Your LinkedIn Learning account is successfully linked to your personal LinkedIn profile. This entire process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, so you don't need to worry about any complicated settings or configurations. Just remember that having both accounts linked allows you to track your learning progress effortlessly and showcase your newly acquired skills right on your professional profile. If, for any reason, you don't see the linking option or something isn't working as expected, try logging out and signing back in. This can sometimes refresh the connection and resolve minor issues. Additionally, ensure that the email you're using for LinkedIn Learning is the same one tied to your LinkedIn profile to avoid any discrepancies. Thank you for following along with me today. Linking your LinkedIn Learning account to your personal account is a great way to enhance your learning experience and ensure that both accounts work in tandem to bolster your professional development. Now that you know how to link LinkedIn Learning to your personal account, you can take full advantage of the courses and resources available. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. This way, you won't miss out on any future tips and tricks. Happy learning!